Presenting a pre-owned 2007 Honda Ridgeline RTL 4-wheel drive. This 4-door truck has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 184,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, tow hooks, trailer hitch, power windows, and rear privacy glass.